I hej ljudi,
He
evo
didn't
nas
make it, did he?
opet
He lost too much
u
blood.
God damn it.
Walking Deadu
I'm getting
sezoni
sick
2,
of this
ovo je
shit.
sam početak
Ken,
sezoni 2
come back. There's nothing.
I Ken je besan,
What's his problem?
Don't be like that, Lee. I know we've all seen death, but that doesn't make it any easier. That man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to
ovo nas
survive.
inače da, u
At
Walking
least
Deadu
he's not our problem anymore.
nastavljamo, ovo je sam početak sezone 2,
What
tako
about the
da
other kid?
ovaj lik je ranjen i... A! Molim! Uplaši me, jebe mu! Uplaši me, ovo je... Mrtav. Šta je, molim? Aha, treba da ga udaram. Avo! Umri!
Get out of the damn way! I have it!
Jebote! Ti ne znaš ni da udariš!
I
Sekirom!
got him!
Jebote, udarate ga daskama, druže! Udarate ga daskama, jeste vi oboleli? Ne! Kopaj mu oči! Udri ga! Udri ga! Jebote, nesposobni! Daskama ga udarate! Jer je tardirani. Thanks. Ajde, dobro, spazio me, jako je smrad.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed!
Malo mi si me ubotom. X7.
You said he wasn't bitten! What? We asked you point blank, was he
Da.
bitten? And you said no! He wasn't! Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife!
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the
Da.
hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it.
Znači nije ugriz.
You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
You're all
All
infected.
infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know. All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Opa. Onako dolazi.
Doug, it works. Of course it works. I told you.
Shit, where'd this string come from?
Kada
Watch where you're walking,
napravi.
Who are those people?
I don't know.
Važno.
Are they the people that raided your camp?
I don't think so. But they all had their faces covered, so I don't know.
Pa ti si debil malo, jebote.
There's just two of them. We need to make a stand.
No, we have a routine. We don't confront them if we don't have to.
You all right?
Yeah, just getting untangled.
I don't know how you're still alive, man.
Sorry, Lily. We gotta do this. That's far enough.
Ne smemo.
Oh, shit! Okay. No problem.
We
We don't want any trouble. Of course, neither do we. I'm Andy St. John. This here's my brother Dan. We're just out looking for gasoline. Looks like you folks got the motel locked down, which is fine, but if you could spare any gas, well, we'd be much obliged.
Jebote, nema
What do you need
hrane.
gas for?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Oh,
Our generators run on gas.
that-
Look,
yeah.
we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Pa treba ovdje hrana.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out? See if it's legit.
I'll go too. Improve the numbers in case we run into anything dead.
So, what are y'all thinking?
No deal with just it. Ali vidite. Ako ja sad napravim ovaj deal, oni nas mogu samo da zasednu, ne se samo troje, šta? Oni imaju sigurno neke puške čim imaju ogradu i samo nas roknu. Ako ne pristane, možemo da malo izgladnimo do smrti. Tako da, ne znam. Ne želim da rizikujem. Ali, ajde.
I think we'll stay here. We're starting to develop a good vibe here at the motel.
Good vibe? Well, Christ, Daddy-o, I'm sorry the folks with the food supply and defenses didn't tickle your pretty pink ass.
We need to think like a group, Lee. This affects everyone.
Then we vote. If everyone agrees, then we'll send you guys with some gas to check the place
A
out.
što
If we
mene?
don't,
Then we'll stay in this wretched roach motel with your recreational paperweight over there. Plus, we stay close to Macon where we have access to the pharmacy. For Dad. Kenny? Katja?
we go.
Dad?
You betcha, pumpkin.
Doug?
I say we do it.
I'm in. If they're offering food, we gotta at least check it out.
A brate, ubit će nas.
Clementine, what do you think?
Lee, I'm very hungry.
All right. Looks like we're going to a dairy.
Ako je zasada, mislim vjerojatno je zasada, pošto je ovdje Walking Dead, ovo nije
So, this
crvanj
dairy,
kapa, jevi tako.
you guys really have food? Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
Zar nismo samo na... Aha, dobro, ovi...
Thanks for coming along, Doug.
Sure. I'd like to get a look at that electric fence they talked about. It might give me some ideas for something I can rig up at the motor inn.
Can an electric fence really stop walkers?
Well, as long as the walkers aren't completely dehydrated and the fence has enough juice, yeah, it seems plausible. The electricity basically cooks you from the inside out, right?
I guess so.
So, if a walker stays in contact with the fence, it'll eventually cook its brain. Probably takes a
Dobro je
while.
što smo ovog poveli,
And that
zato
can't
što
be a
ona je
good
samo
smell.
znala da puca pištoljem, ovaj
Unless it
može da
smells
nam...
like jerky.
Bukvalno može da nam uvijek napravi pištolj. Bukvalno može da
Shouldn't have
napravi
turned down
ogradu,
that
pošto
food you
ako
offered
niste
me earlier.
skontali...
There's
Prišta...
one runaway
Prišta...
train of thought.
Prišta...
Sorry.
Kako se zove, o... Tome da bi on mogao da
What's
napravi
that you
tu
got there?
ogradu.
Oh, nothing. It's just a laser pointer I picked up during our last trip to the drugstore.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Ja
Where are
sam
you
u-
from?
Macon?
I grew up in Macon.
Right here in the heart of Georgia. That's what I like to hear. Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
We, Kenny, I am. Neću kažem. Neću koju.
We work
Demokratija.
as a group, all of us looking out for each other.
I hear that. There's so many dumbasses out there fighting each other these days. It's just stupid.
How many people you got over there anyway?
Enough
Enough to defend
them.
ourselves.
Well, that's good. It's getting dangerous out there. Well, you guys know.
Jo, Adam,
Well,
jo,
we'd
prešim
love to
govorim,
get you
koji se
all
da bi ja
out
sam
to
sve
the
ću
dairy.
pustio
Like
ovdje.
I said, we got
Ja
plenty
sam
of
zaboravio
food,
da
and
ukineš.
quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's
Jebem
great.
se.
Everything helps.
Mama's been running the
Ovo
dairy
su
for
naučili.
as
Ti
long
ne
as I
verujem.
can
Ne znam što
remember.
sam im toliko
but
rekao se.
Now it's
You
getting-
think you're gonna cut me out of this?
To vaši? To su njihovi.
No
ne?
one's trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits?
Who? Haven't noticed.
Those look like the people who
Calm
raided
down.
my
Your
camp.
paranoia's pissing everyone off.
Fuck you. You knew we were hungry, and you guys were keeping it all for yourselves.
Do.
Yeah, and you know what? We ate it all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens. But let's just wait this out.
Pazite vi, ljudi. Pazite moć.
Fuck you.
Ubiše ga.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, shit. Asshole.
Dobra Clementine ovo nije
World
videla.
out here has gone to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe.
Ovi ga je samo upucao, brate, kako može tako čovjeka da upuca. Samo ono, bam, bam, šutne i upuca ga jebote. Kako to može čovjek uradi ovo? Da,